And here's what I'm talking about, the scale or the growth. Can you get up to a 32x boost? Yes, it's possible to just keep combining them and having it going. So if this was your laptop, PC, or cell phone running at 1,000, and then you added the 2x boost, then this would be 2,000, right? And it would go through and be added together. So if you did a 5x plus a 2x would equal 7x. And again, this is off if your base is just 1,000, which my laptop was. My PC was like 6,000. So this would be running at 12,000, right? When it comes down to here, this would be 32,000. And this would be 12, 18, 19, 192,000. So you can see by adding the combinations of boosts as you grow, you can go to the next increment that it would show. So technically, if you're running a 15x boost, you could run at a 5 and a 10, or you could just run a 15. But it's just showing you how it adds up. I think 15 might be the only one that's a dual. You could either do a x plus 10 equals 15, or you could just do a straight up 15 because that is a subscription. And then 17, for instance, is an x plus 15 equals 17, or 2, 5, 10, 17. This would be a little bit more expensive because you have 3 small costs, where this would be better. So what I'm saying is, to get a 15x boost, you either do a 5 by 10 or a 15 to get 15. But this may be $1 and this may be $2.50, where this is $4. So it depends on that combination that you have. And let me write this down one here, because this would be this. Like that. So to get 15x, 5 subscription may be $1. A $10 subscription would be at least be $2, and so a 15x might be $2.25, or it may be $1 for 5x and $2.20 for 10x. So that's $3.20, where 15x would be just $3. So it just depends on the subscription when you're looking at it.